Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you
Good
today?
morning, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, very good. So last week we studied about grammar. Still, we were studying grammar last week, and it was about future, right? Kind of future tenses, simple future, and then future continuous tense, and future perfect tense. Okay, and then we finished that already. And then please check your Schoology, that will be formative after that. Okay, and then today we are going to study about correlative conjunction. You might be wondering what correlative conjunction is. Okay, so this is our topic today, the correlative conjunction. If you understand conjunction, what does mean conjunction in bahasa Indonesia? Anybody knows? Apa itu conjunction?
Kata penghubung.
That's right, kata penghubung. Right, correlative conjunction. So, what are the learning objective or the purpose of our topic today or learning topic today? First, you will be able to identify the structure of the correlative conjunction. The structure is mean the pattern or the forms. How do you form? How do you create the correlative conjunction? Ini gimana nih membuat kalimat dalam menggunakan correlative conjunction? So that's why you will be able to identify the structure. And then number two, you will be able to identify the use of correlative conjunction. How to use? Gimana menggunakan correlative conjunction in complete sentence? Right, and then number three, you will be able to create a sentence using correlative conjunction. Yeah, you can create a sentence or write a sentence using correlative conjunction. Okay, so what are those correlative conjunction? Okay, correlative conjunction like both, either, neither, not only. Yeah, some people say either, neither. Okay, both, either, neither, not only. You can say both, either, neither, not only. Okay, these are the correlative conjunction. Inilah kata penghubungnya. So, how do you use that? How do you use? I believe you use that in your daily conversation when you're speaking English. Oh, both. Either, or neither, or not only. Maybe you didn't realize, but you say that in your conversation if you speak English. Okay. Right. So look at this picture. I hope this picture can help you to describe or to understand. Okay. Mother and sister. How many people are there here? There are two, right? Mother and sister. Let's say this is a mother and this is a sister. Okay, there are two here. So you can say both my mother and my sister are here. Yeah, both my mother and my sister are here. Look at this one. The thing or the word that is written in red, that is the noun. Yang ditulis dengan merah, that is noun. My mother and my sister. Okay. And then the conjunction, the correlative conjunction is both. So pay attention. Look at what happened after both. Ya, just ignore the noun first. Ya, abaikan dulu nounnya. My mother and my sister kita abaikan dulu. Let's talk about the conjunction both. And what is coming after both? And. Yes. And. Both. The pair of both is pasangannya both itu and. Both and. Not or. Okay, both. Pasangannya itu adalah and. And the verb here, singular or plural? This one singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. Ya, kenapa plural? Why is it plural?
Lebih dari 2.
Yeah. What? Apa yang lebih dari 2? What are more than 2?
Subjeknya, Sir.
Yeah. Which
Subjek.
one? What is that? My mother. And my sister. Right. My mother and my sister are here, not is here. Okay. Pay attention again. Both and then this one is plural. Okay, both my mother and my sister are here. Okay, the subject, it must be similar. Okay, must be similar. I mean the same level, right? My mother, my sister. Durian, mango. Yeah, you can say both durian and mangosteen are sweet, for example. Yeah, both durian and mangosteen are sweet. Okay, saya say dua-duanya, mangga dan durian itu mangosteen itu manggis ya. Both durian and mangosteen are tropical fruit. Nah, both durian and mangosteen are tropical fruits. Ya, ya kedua-duanya durian dan manggis itu adalah buah-buahan yang berasal dari iklim tropis atau buah-buahan tropis. You understand? Do you understand? Can you understand? Okay, now I'd like to invite you to make a sentence. Can you give me a sentence which is similar like this? Using both and then one here. The verb is plural, not singular. Yes, please. Who gonna tell me? Who wanna say something? Siapa yang bisa ngasih contoh? Ayo.
Saya, Sir.
Okay, who's that? Who is talking? Okay, when you are saying something, please introduce. Just tell me your name, okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
Sir. My name is Dita Dani. I'm from Galileo class.
Okay, please Dita ya, Dita. Okay, Dita, please.
Both Hechan and Jangwoo are my idol.
Both, what is it? Echan and Janggu are my idol. Oh, very good. Yes, that's right. Both Echan and Janggu. I'm sorry if I don't really know that people, okay? And I mispronounced the name. Yeah, I'm sorry. Both Meichan and Janggu are my idol. Very good. One more sentence, please. Other student? Any other student? Dita did it already. Yeah, what about other student? Yes, please unmute your microphone. No one? Okay. Or you can say, I'm gonna give you another example. Both motorcycle and what is that? Bicycle. Yeah, both motorcycle and bike are available in Medan. Yeah, are available in Medan. Yeah, both motorcycle and bicycle are available in Medan. Ya, dua-duanya sepeda motor dan sepeda ontel ya. Dua-duanya itu ada di Medan. Probably in some places or in some country they don't have any more motorcycle, or people don't ride motorcycle anymore. Maybe yeah, in some places or in some country. Yeah, who knows? Okay. Okay, we will continue to the next. Okay, please remember both is connected with and then are. And the subject here, the noun must be in the same, in the same level, right? My mother, my sister, okay? Durian. Okay, in same noun. Right, so the next. Now we are using not only. Not only. Yeah. So not only is connected with, okay, I'm going to read the sentence. Not only my mother, but also my sister is here. Not only my mother, but also my sister is here. Okay. Not only. We are using not only, right? And then after not only is connected with but also. Not only but also. Enggak hanya tapi juga ya. Enggak hanya itu tapi juga itu. Oke? Okay? In bahasa Indonesia tidak hanya ini tapi juga itu. Oke? Okay? Not only my mother but also my sister is here. Okay, you gotta pay attention to the verb used here. Not only my mother, but also my sister is here. So even though there are two people here, my mother and my sister, but we recognize or we admitted only the last. The verb, it belongs to the last subject. Yeah. The verb belongs to the last subject, not both or not the previous one. Jadi kata kerjanya atau to be-nya di situ miliknya siapa? Miliknya yang terakhir, kata benda yang terakhir, bukan kedua-duanya. It's different from using both. Both the verb or the to be belongs to both noun, kedua-duanya. Tapi but when you are using not only my mother but also my sister is here. Yeah. So it means the to be or the verb belong to the last. Yeah, the last noun. Okay. Not only but also and then singular, not plural. Can we use besides is? Bisa nggak selain is atau kita gunakan kata kerja yang lain? We use other verb. Yeah, sure, we can. Not only my mother, but also my sister likes durian. Not only my mother, but also my sister likes durian. So we don't use is, yeah, but we is replaced by verb. Jadi kita ganti isnya dengan kata kerja. Dan kata kerjanya harus berupa singular. And then when it is singular, like become likes. We add s. You understand? Okay, not only my mother, but also my sister likes durian. Yeah. Not only so this one must be similar here. Okay, the pattern must be similar. Okay, now I'm inviting you to give an example. Can you give me an example? Remember, you can use to be here or you can use verb here. The is also verb. Okay, auxiliary verb, and also you can use ordinary verb. Okay, you can give me an example. Who can give me an example? Yes, please. Not only a car, but also motorcycles needs fuel. You got it? Not only a car, but also a motorcycle needs fuel. Enggak hanya mobil, tapi juga sepeda motor membutuhkan bahan bakar. So if you need here, need or needs? Do you use need or needs? If I say not only motorcycle, but also not only a car, but also motorcycle, need or needs fuel?
Needs, sir.
Needs, ya. Kenapa? Karena diambil dari sini ya. The last pronoun, the last noun, kata bendanya. Nggak dua-duanya digabung, tapi yang terakhir saja yang punya kata kerja ini milik kata benda yang terakhir. The verb belongs to the last noun. Kata benda yang terakhir yang punya. Okay, you want to give me an example? Who can give me an example?
Saya, sir.
Okay, who's that? Dita again or are you Dita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dita, please.
Not only Sir Nasihin, but also Sir Reja is English teacher.
Ah, that's in City Foundation, right? Not only Mr. Nasihin, but also Mr. Reza is English teacher at SMA Unggulan City Foundation. Very good, that's right. Okay, so is there. Okay, so I hope everybody understand, not only Dita who understand, but other students also understand. So I want more participants here. Okay, please join our class. Okay. Right, so the next is not only, so we studied all two already, okay? First is both and then not only, right? So, okay, now I'm gonna give you another example. Okay, so this one is sister and then who are they? Parents, let's say they are parents, okay? Parents, yeah, parents, it means mother and father, okay? Not only my sister, but also my parents are here. Why are we using are here? Not is.
Because
My
they are
parents lebih dari satu, sir.
more
Yeah,
than
that's
two.
right. Because parents, yeah, parents, it's plural, right? Plural. So again, the to be or the verb belongs to the last noun, not to the first noun, or not to the all noun, but belongs to the last noun, okay? Not only my sister, but also my parents are here. Why is it are? Not because all together my sister and my parents, no. But my parents are plural, so here are plural. So I can say also, not only my sister, but also my parents need holiday. Yeah. Needs or need?
Need
Need, that's right. Not only my sister, but also my parents need holiday. Okay, very good. You can give me an example? You want to give me an example?
me, sir.
Okay, who's that?
My name is Nurjana Lubis. I'm from X10 class.
Okay, Nurdiana Lubis. Okay, go ahead, Nurdiana, please.
Nurjana, sir.
Oh, Nurjana, sorry. Okay, Nurjana. Okay, Nurjana, please.
Not only guitar, but also drum I can play.
Not only guitar, but also
Drum
drum.
I can play.
Now here is verb, so it be verb here. Not only guitar, but also drum is my favorite instruments. Ya, sini harus kata kerja ya. Kamu kan pakai I di sini lagi ya. Not only my sister, but also not only drum, but also not only guitar, but also drum is my instrument devices. Okay, okay, very good. Yeah, but yeah, be careful. Here is verb. Okay, ya di sini verb ya. Kata kerja boleh menggunakan to be atau menggunakan ordinary verb. Kata kerja like not only my sister but also my parents are here. Not only my sister but also my parents like durian. Nah, kan kata kerja di sini jangan ditambah subjek lagi, oke? Okay? Understand, Nurjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want okay, other students? Ada lagi?
Saya, sir.
Okay, who's that?
My name is Zainina Zul PS.
Zailina.
I'm from Galileo class.
Okay, please go ahead, Zailina.
Zaini, sir.
Zaini.
Iya, sir.
Okay, yes, Zaini, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, please, Zaini.
Not only Zuzu, but also Mutia sweeps the floor.
Okay. Not only Zuzu, but also Mutia sweeps or sweep.
Sweeps, sir.
With S ya. Okay, very good. That's right. Not only Zuzu, but also Mutia sweeps the floor. Not only Nurjana, but also Jaini sweeps the floor. Okay, very good. Okay, next we continue. Okay, next. What is this? Okay, now using neither. Yeah, I hope you understand both kedua-duanya. And then not only bukan hanya tapi juga not only but also. Okay, okay. And then here is neither. My mother nor my sister is here. Yeah, neither or neither my mother nor my sister is here. Okay, how to use neither in a sentence? Neither, and then okay, the nouns must be parallel ya, harus sama nih. Apa namanya, dalam bentuk part of speech-nya dia harus sama, susunannya dia harus sama ya, kata bendanya dia harus sama susunannya. Neither my mother nor my sister is here. Okay, again using is, not both. Yeah, so we use my sister. Okay, the last noun. The to be or the verb belongs to the last noun. Neither my mother nor my sister is here. Neither my mother nor my sister likes durian. What does it mean in bahasa Indonesia? Neither my mother nor. Enggak ibu saya juga enggak juga saudara saya, kakak saya ya. This is for negatif. Enggak ibu saya, enggak juga kakak saya atau saudari saya di sini. Jadi mereka dua-duanya enggak di sini. Ya, neither my mother nor my sister is here. Enggak ibu, enggak kakak.
Maupun.
Ya. Dua-duanya enggak kakak, baik ibu ataupun kakak enggak di sini ya. Bahasa Indonesianya mungkin lebih that will be more simple. Okay. Baik ibu ataupun kakak tidak di sini. Baik ibu ataupun kakak tidak suka durian. So, tidaknya di sini, oke. Okay? Neither my mother nor my sister likes durian. Ya, baik ibu saya ataupun kakak saya nggak suka durian. You got it? You understand? Yeah. So,
Yes.
neither my mother nor my sister is here. Neither my mother nor my sister likes durian. Okay? You understand? You wanna give me an example? Who wanna give me an example? In bahasa Indonesia, tidak ibu ataupun kakak saya, ya, baik, maybe in bahasa Indonesia better you say, you translate, baik ibu maupun bapak maupun saudara maupun kakak saya nggak suka durian. Jadi dua-duanya nggak suka durian. Okay, so you want to give me an example? You want to give me an example? The boy, where are the boy? Any boys there? Ada yang cowok nggak di situ? So I got 3 students. All of them are girls. What about boy? Or other boy or no matter? Yeah, either boy or girl is welcome. Please. Want to give me an example? No? Okay, then we continue to the next slide. Okay, so next is, what about this one? Okay, again, so it is like before, yeah. Neither my sister nor my brothers. How many brothers here? There are 3. 1, 2, 3. Plural or singular?
Plural.
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 Okay. Sister, plural or singular?
Singular.
Singular, that's right. So we say, neither my sister nor my brothers are here. So we are using are here. Or you can say, neither my sister nor my brothers like durian. Neither my sister nor my brothers play badminton. Ya, berarti semuanya tidak ada yang main badminton. Ya, baik saudari saya ataupun abang-abang saya, gak ada yang main badminton. Ya. So neither my sister nor my brothers play badminton. Neither my sister nor my brothers likes fried rice. Okay. All right. I hope you understand. So this is using neither. So how many we studied already? First is both. And then the second is?
And
Both is connected with what?
And
And, okay. And then the second what we studied?
not only but also.
That's
Not
right.
only,
Not
but also.
only, but also. Not only, but also. How do you use that? Not only and but also? Is the verb singular or plural?
tergantung.
Tergantung. Tergantung apa nih? Depends on the last pronoun.
Subject.
Ya, the last pronoun. Ya, pronoun yang terakhir ya yang dipakai ya. Not all of them. And then neither. Okay, neither is like the function is just like it works like not only ya. Sama menggunakan dia tergantung dengan depends on the last pronoun subject. Okay? Okay, when the last subject or the last pronoun is what is that? Plural, then it should be plural, and then when it is singular, then the verb must be singular. Okay, neither. Okay, the next is this one. Okay, what is this? Either. Okay, either or either. I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. Okay, so and then using either. Okay, either is connected with what? Or. Yeah, neither is connected with nor. Yeah, neither or neither. Neither is connected with nor, but either or either is connected with or. Okay, so also the noun must be similar. Okay, must be similar in the part of the speech. Ya, posisinya dalam apa namanya bagian-bagian kalimat itu dia harus sama posisinya. Chemistry, physics, nounnya itu sama. Okay, I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. Yeah, I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. Okay, I don't think we have a problem in this. Okay, I'll take either chemistry. The most important thing is that you understand what is this? The noun must be similar. Okay, like a pair of, sepasang gitulah ya. So here, okay, chemistry and physics. You got it? Understand? Okay, in bahasa Indonesia what does it mean? Either. Ya, sama mungkin ya. Baik ya, saya akan mengambil chemistry atau baik chemistry ataupun fisika next semester. Okay. Right, salah satunya ya, mengambil salah satunya. I'll take either chemistry or physics, bukan dua-duanya, but salah satunya. Neither nor, tidak kedua-duanya, ya, tidak salah satunya, right? Understand? Okay, so neither my sister nor my, berarti ini tidak kedua-duanya. Ya, neither my sister nor my brothers are here. But who is here? My uncle, ya. Jadi nggak mereka tidak itu, tapi yang lain. Oke. Jadi tidak kedua-duanya. But either is salah satunya. Ya. I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. It's fine ya. Bisa ngambil chemistry atau bisa ngambil fisika. Ya. Dia nggak kayak tidak menentukan pilihan. Dua-duanya still okay, right? But he will take either. Ya. I'll take either chemistry or physics. Satu aja diambil, tapi bisa pilih apa saja. Okay, so do you have any question? Any problem? Right, here is more explanation. Are we still having time? Do we still have time or not? Okay, so this is just an explanation about what we studied before. Okay, look at this one. Both my mother and my sister are here. So both. So two subjects. Okay, two subjects connected by both and take plural verb as in A. So two subject. What are the subject? My mother and my sister. It's connected by both. And take a plural. Dan dia menjadi plural here. Both my mother and my sister are here. So two subject connected with both and take a plural verb. Jadi verbnya menjadi plural. Again, I have to remind you, not only are, but it can be verb here, ordinary verb. For example, like, both my mother and my sister like durian. Both my mother and my sister go to Jakarta. Kedua-duanya pergi ke Jakarta. Not goes, but go to Jakarta. Okay, B, look at B. Not only my mother, but also my sister is here. Okay, so we are we are looking at the last subject. What is the last subject? Is it noun or is it singular or plural? Oh, it's singular, so it's B is here. So we talked about this one already. So look at this one here. When the two subjects are connected by not only, but also either or neither nor. Yeah, again, I repeat once again. When the two subject, look at the two subject. Yeah, my mother, my sister, my parents, my mother, my sister, my brothers. So two subjects. When two subjects are connected by not only, look at this one, not only, but also, which one is but also? Oh, we don't have here before, ya, sudah tadi ya. Not only but also, this one, not only but also, and then either or nor, neither and nor, okay. And the subject that is closer to the verb determine whether the verb is singular or plural. Okay, the subject which is closer. The subject which is closer to the verb determine whether the verb is singular or. Jadi subjek yang paling dekat dengan kata kerjanya lah yang menentukan apakah dia itu plural atau singular. When the subject closer to the verb is plural, so the verb is plural. When the subject, the closer subject, yeah, is singular, so the verb is singular. When it is plural, so the verb is plural. So you can go back again here. The subject that is closer. Subjek yang paling dekat to the verb. Dialah yang menentukan whether the verb is singular atau apakah the verb is singular or plural. Understand? Any problem? Any question?
Yes.
Any question before we go further? And I'm gonna have exercise later. Ada yang bertanya? Any question? No? Okay then, we continue. Alright, so next. Okay, the research project will take both time and money. Yeah, the research project will take both time and money. So look at F here. Notice the parallel structure in the example. Ini namanya parallel structure. The research project will take both time and money. So, yang paralel artinya disebut kalau kita if you use both, nah yang mengikuti both-nya ini harus paralel, harus sama. Kalau dia noun di sini juga harus noun. Jangan di sini kemudian noun and then di sini subject I pronoun. No. Ya, take both time and or you use verb here. No, cannot. Noun and then berarti di sini harus sama noun juga dia. Okay, notice the parallel structure in the example. The research project will take both time. You cannot say and I will spend a lot of money. Cannot. Yeah. Both time and money. Jadi both diikuti oleh yang sama structure di situ. Okay, now G. Adi saw not only a fox in the woods but also a bear. Ya, after but also. Look at this one here. Not only a fox, bukan hanya serigala in the woods. Kita abaikan aja in the woods-nya. Ini cuma keterangan saja. Adi saw not only a fox in the woods but also a bear. Bear itu beruang ya, bukan bear bacanya tapi bear. Andy saw melihat not only a fox in the woods but also a bear. Bear itu beruang, fox itu serigala, okay? So the same grammatical form should follow each part of the pair conjunction. Jadi bentuk grammarnya juga harus mengikuti ya setiap bagian daripada conjunction tadi. Dia harus pasangan. Andy saw not only a fox in the wood but also a bear. So a fox and a bear. Jadi dia sama, but also a bear. You cannot say Andy saw not only a fox in the wood but also running bear in the wood. I catch it. Nah, ya. But also I catch a bear. Nah, itu berarti nggak sama, okay? So dia harus sama. Next, H, I'll take either chemistry or physics next semester. Ya, sudah tadi. And then I, that book is neither interesting nor accurate. So that book is neither interesting nor accurate. So interesting is, ini juga begitu. Interesting is adjective. Jadi yang mengikutinya juga harus adjective. Akurat is adjective. Interesting and accurate. That book is neither expensive nor. Di sini juga harus yang sama adjective. Jangan di sini adjective, di sini noun. Ya. That book is neither interesting. That book is neither cheap nor interesting. So it must be adjective here, ya. Adjective. When it is adjective, and then it should be followed by adjective. When it is noun, and then it should be noun. Here is the explanation. In F, look at this F here. Both. Now this is the pattern. Look at the pattern here. Both, and then plus noun, and then plus noun, noun and noun. And then look at G here. Not only plus noun, a focus noun, but also, and then but also, and after but also noun. Okay. And in H, neither plus adjective plus nor, accurate also adjective. Jadi kalau di adjective dia juga harus adjective, yang keduanya harus sama. Okay, you understand? Any question? Right, so now we are going to do exercise. Are you ready? Hello class. Are you still there? Are you still following me? Okay, now we're gonna do exercise, okay? Are you ready? Yes, here is the exercise.
Yes.
Okay, now number one. Who will answer number one? Please unmute your microphone if you are ready to answer. Both the teacher and the student, blah, 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 right here.
Is.
Huh? Is it is?
R.
Is or are?
R.
Are. Both the teacher and the student are here. Number two.
Is.
Is it is? Neither the teacher nor the student is. Yeah. Number three.
Is.
Not only the teacher but also the student is here. Okay, number four.
Are, sir.
Not only the teacher but also the students are here. Number five.
Is, sir.
Either the student or the teacher
Is.
is. Number six.
R.
Number 7.
R.
R. R. Okay. Number 8. What is this? R. Okay. Right. This is very simple, but of course, all right. Next, other exercise that will be more complicated, but we cannot talk all the exercises here. Well, actually, I have more exercise like this one. How to use both, and is it to be either or both here? But we don't have enough time here when we have to close the presentation. I hope you understand. If you have question, feel free to ask me in Schoology, or you can send me an email. Okay? Right.
Pertemuan berapa sih?
Sorry.
Pertemuan keberapa, Sir?
You have to check the Schoology based on the date, ya. Lihat tanggalnya nanti ya. Tanggal ya, sesuaikan dengan cocokkan dengan tanggalnya, oke? Okay? Right, I think that's all for today. We close our lesson today. Baru setting alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for joining our class today, and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi